Right, time to show you what this product does and what is on its content. And with it, pretty much you can build your own texture HUD for your products and sell your products with it. This is going to be our texture HUD today. It will have only two buttons to make it easier to explain. And the content, it's these three scripts and the explanation, right? The instructions, license, everything in one notecard. The first step that you should do is to change the permissions for the next person on both of the scripts on the HUD and the receiver. I will show you what happens if you don't change. If you try to just put the HUD script on the HUD and you put the licenser inside for activate it, because it needs to be activated, it will just give you that error saying that it didn't work it. Right after it says that it self-deleted, right? Let's select the HUD, receiver, properties, and remove the transfer permission from both scripts. Okay. Let's put the HUD script on the HUD, the receiver on the item. That's a item that a friend of mine sent me for me to be testing these things and show you guys how to do it. I renamed the item to text 333. So we are going to rename the buttons for the same thing that is already done. If you want to apply the texture to all sides, all you have to do is to copy the UID of the item, go to the button, and on the description box, you enter the UID. The script is smart, it's going to assume that it's all sides, and when you touch it, it's going to apply to all sides unless we haven't put the licensor inside of the content. So let's do that. Let's enable, and now let's touch the button, and there it goes. If you want the texture to be PBR, just copy the UID, edit the button, go to the description, and type PBR before it. It also goes to the all sides. And if we touch PBR, it's now a PBR thing because it's right there. Once it applies PBR, it removes everything from the old method of applying textures, right? So when you touch texture, it removes the PBR. And when you apply PBR, it removes the texture, okay? Now let's once again make it all white with no textures, no nothing. And what if you wanted to apply this to a face instead to all sides? So you will put PBR, face, one example. Like you pick the face that you need it and you apply it there. And it applies the face to the face one that in this specific item is right there. And if it's all sides, you just come here and you delete the face one, right? Put only PBR and it will apply to all sides, okay? So you can have multiple buttons with multiple faces and all. Now, if your items have the old method of texturing, right, Limfong or whatever you call it, and you wanted to apply normals and specular to the HUD, right? Each button, for some reason, have a different normal and different specular, okay? All you will have to do is to go to the very end of the description that you already placed, and for normals, you place an N in the end of it, give one more space, and copy the normals UUID right after there, and you paste it. And now when we apply on the button, if we go, oops, why am I editing? The normal is applied. Now I don't have a specular to show you, so I'm gonna apply the normal as a specular. And so we have all sides, we have normal, and now we are gonna put a S space and the UUID and apply. And it applied the base color, the normal, and the specular, right? You want to put on face 0, it will just apply the normal and the specular on face 0. So yeah, all these explanations are going to be on the note card for you to remember. If it's just the base color plus the map, it tells you like how to do it, right? to put face 1, UID, and then you want the normal.